Most users don't really use the About section of their iPad, not because it is useless, but because they might not need it if they're not part of a school or a company that needs information in the section. There's only two things that are important that you need to know. First, your iPad name helps you organize your devices when you have a couple of them. It helps you give your iPad a unique name so you can easily identify it when using AirDrop or Sidecar to extend your Mac's display. Your serial number will help you check warranty status or verify Apple Care coverage. It's also required if you decide to trade in your device for a new model.